Let me introduce you to the media features that will make your driving experience more enjoyable. Tap the media card on the home screen, or press the hard media button to access various media-related features as well as radio and Bluetooth audio. In addition, with the Now Playing feature located at the bottom of the infotainment screen, you can quickly view the media that is playing from any screen. Let's explore in more detail. Radio and sounds of nature. To listen to the radio, go to the media home screen and select FM, AM, or another band if available. Next, select the desired station or channel you want to listen to. One more thing. Experience the soothing sounds of nature, such as a forest or ocean waves, for a more pleasant driving experience. Enjoy the special soundtracks personally composed by the genius music director Jung Jae-il, known for his work in movies like Parasite and Squid Game. Here's all you need to remember.